get up, me, I'm going to take it up.
How would they slap? What did she do?
What did I do wrong? I'm a Nigerian. I'm a free citizen. I have the right to go to police station. I am not a criminal. Over Pamiloju unjustly, just like that. I didn't love it. Show my law.
My name is
Arima Fanaya. Well done, everyone. And I'm so happy that SARS has been dissolved. It's very good and it's very nice. And that is what we want. That is what we deserve. Yes, I am sorry about all the families that the SARS, the wicked SARS, has killed, all because of bloody money. Because the money they are taking from all these boys are blood, and it's going to ask them. The cars of these boys they've taken unjustifiable will ask them. Their blood will ask them. Good. But let me tell you something. I think the bills, all the bills the Senate are supposed to be passing right now is how to pay the police force very well. How to pay the military very well. How to pay the Air Force very well. All the bloody force in Nigeria, you need to fucking pay them standard money. This is not about them working for public. You are fucking working for public too, you bloody fucking politicians. You are busy there making all Nigerian citizen money. People pay for tax. Every big companies that comes to Nigeria, both the indigenous and the foreign ones, you take tax from them. That's the bloody money that is meant for Nigeria. You take tax from them and you don't give them tax return back. Who have they ever paid for their tax refund? You bloody fucking politicians. You are there wearing your fucking cap with your fucking agbada, and you be here telling people you are lying. You are manipulating the truth on television. You are bloody, and the blood of everyone will ask you. You bloody fucking people. You are fucking making everybody hungry. You deserve the SARS. Does that mean it takes them away from their work? Does that mean you have to, you've crucified the people that killed those boys? Have you crucified the people that killed Konade? Have you crucified the people that have died through SARS? Or through any police force? These people take bribery. These people take corruption as their water every day. All because they cannot find due salaries to feed their family. You keep soldiers in military camp. Or what do they call it? You call it barracks. And you do projects in Lagos State every day of your life. You bloody fight for people's blood. People's sweat. You fucking assholes. You bloody assholes. You fucking assholes. Nonsense politicians. All Nigerian bloods will ask you. Olori buruku niye ni shorire. And dissolve you are dissolving the SARS. As if you are not going to give them another name. Abi? Now let's check it. You call them public servants. That means nobody forced them to come. Abi? Good. You that you are a senator. You from House of Rep. You a president. You vice president. You bloody chairman. You bloody fucking local government chairman. You own a fucking land. How dare you have a house? What do you do to own a house? You own people's house. It is my house. I'm a bloody actor. I'm smelling. God blessed me to find a job, a business to do. So if I never had a business, I'll be at your doorstep trying to beg for food and money. Bí ẹ̀mí mi ṣe ń lọ sókè tó dàbí pé mo fẹ́ kú bí ẹ̀mí gbogbo yín ṣe máa lọ sókè ní ṣoríire. Gbogbo owó tẹ́ ti fi àárọ̀ yín kó gbogbo ẹ̀ ló máa jóná lójú yín. Èmi ò ní ṣépè fún ọmọ yín because ọmọ yín ò ṣẹ̀ mí. Ọmọ yín ò ṣẹ̀ mí. Ẹ̀yin gangan nìkà. Pay the police due money. They ain't going to harass. Báwo ni phone ṣe máa jẹ́ phone 200,000 naira will be a big deal to a policeman. That policeman said from one of the videos that came up, he said, I have been working for 14 years. He said, 14 years, it will be 14 years in 1 week that I've been working for the police force. I have never in my life had a chance to buy a 200,000 naira phone. You bloody civilian, you are now buying a 250,000. Do you pay attention to his words? You, this stupid politician. Do you fucking pay attention? That man is hungry. The police is hungry. That anything will let Bilomo, a young boy, is using a 250,000 naira phone. And he's been at the police work. And these bloody police people are carrying that fucking gun, staying behind you. The SSS are protecting you with all those big guns. God will judge them. Because if I was one, I would have killed you. I swear to God, I would have killed you because I will not agree. I won't take it because you are taking people's money. You are making people suffer. And God will judge all of you, you bloody fucking politician. Don't trust all these politicians. They come, and you fully stupid Nigerians too. You go there and you go around. Hey, you post for this. You can't do this for this. They are all thieves. None of them can give you $1 million to do anything. They only send boys. They send the street boys to do things for them. And they will later kill the boys. They will later jail the boys. And you stupid blind boys are still fucking working for them. You stupid people. You are paying the police. You are underpaying the police. And their families and sons and daughters are smelling. Do you know what we become? We actually we give birth to children. We give birth to children and we raise them up. We laugh. When the boy comes, hey, we cheer. Oh, thank God, we have given birth to a boy. We have given birth to a girl. Then we start raising the boy. We start raising the girl. In this cruel, stupid country, we start raising them up. In this corrupt country, when they wake up in a corrupt land. And every day, without knowing, unconsciously, we raise armed robbers. We raise armed robbers. We raise fraudsters. We raise people with no conscience. With no conscience. I am without no conscience. I am here to swap another man's money, another man's wealth. That is what we have been brought up with. And it's because of you fucking bloody politicians. All the way from Awolowo's head. And the people before Awolowo. All of you are fucking thieves. Thieves! Thieves! Only! The police that will be judged for these crimes, some might be killed in the process of fighting. Some civilians might be killed. You see those innocent police that the Nigerian citizens aggressively killed, and the poor citizens and hungry citizens of Nigeria that the police too killed. All their blood joined together will harass you in your sleep. It will judge you. You will never have rest. You will never have peace. All of you fucking politicians, you have no fucking law. You cannot even make a law stand. A country without law, one single country, giant of bloody fucking Africa, does not have one mall, a proper mall in a country. We have no mall. They build chalets and they call it mall. Have you seen mall? Have you ever traveled around? You will be judged. You will be punished in heaven. I will stand by the gate of hell and punish you myself because I won't allow you go. The blood of Nigerians will not allow you go. You bloody thieves.
I know you're waiting here. That was my dream. I plan to become a European at my I don't already all of you have been working so hard. You have been working so hard for some people 60 years of their life, they can't build a house. When your economy is better than that of Dubai. Do you know we are richer than Dubai? Let me tell you what you guys don't know. We are richer than Dubai. Dubai has only oil. No, yes, Dubai has oil, they don't have land. But what they want, God gave us land, gave us oil. You know there are some natural resources that they've not still discovered in Nigeria. These guys keep taking the money to themselves. Look at one fucking person who built this mansion. I swear to God, if he doesn't come outside, we'll burn this Oriental hotel. Who is with me? You are still scared. You guys don't be scared. I'll still come back. Anything alone back tell you go like that. Anything alone, they should keep on you. Our pastor man parọ́ fún wa ni o. Yes, gbogbo it. See, look at Job in the Bible. It was only God that had the life, the ọmọ Yorùbá ní ẹjẹ́ kí n sọ Yorùbá kí n má ṣe òkú sọ. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló ní agbára sẹ́mi èṣù kàn lè torment ẹ̀. But na only God fit kill you. If God knows say you no go die, If they lie, if I'm not going to die, if all these policemen, like all of them, you want shoot in the laundry, you don't know about anything you live. Talk. If you don't talk, you die. If you talk, you die. Talk dying. Fela became a legend today because he talks. Bọ̀bọ́ kan tí SARS pa, ọmọ wọn ti gbàgbé bọ̀bọ́ yẹn, wọn lè rántí ẹ̀ mọ́. Then why tí a fi wá sáyé tí a nípa? Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo máa sọ. I rather live a short impactful life than to live a useless long life, which is what you guys are living. You are living a useless long life. Live a short impactful life. Ẹ ń bẹ̀rù pé we are scared that there is heaven or hell. That is what pastors used to deceive. If you die, it is over. Ẹ má máa ṣe báyìí mọ́. Those guys, I don't blame most Yahoo boys on the streets. Yahoo boys are my friends. You know why? The economy made them do what they did. I hustled this year. Then I discovered that there is no way I can make $100 kind of money in this country without stealing. Is it possible? No, tell me. Can you make $100 money without being a thief? $100 is a thief. Yes. His fathers are politicians too, two of us. Àwọn ló fún lówó, wọ́n jí owó láti ìjọba tí wọ́n wọ́ fún ọmọ wọn lówó. Owó olè náà ló ń lò. Olè ní $100. Olè nírú owó Dangote kó má jalè. Kò possible. If you do a honest living, if you are doing a honest living, nǹkan tí o lè kọ́ ní normal house. Director ní àwọn government house. Mo ní director kan. Tí ẹ bá ní director yẹn náà nírú àwọn ilé báyìí. Director ìjọba báwo ló ṣe èlò wọn sọ fún èlò ni. Why are these people disabled? They say nobody is above the law. They killed my brother yesterday. The government is not above the law. Me, I am reporting them to the world courts because Nigerian courts can't do them. So Buhari gbọ́dọ̀ lọ sọ̀rọ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn kí èmi tó calm down kí n mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Nobody is above the law. We came for a peaceful protest. That was what we told the world we were doing. And they killed somebody. Now they killed our brother. He's my brother. I will not hesitate. Normal human instincts. I don't know why you guys are not following human instincts. Buhari is trying to kill you. Why not try to kill him? Ìyàn tó fẹ́ pa ẹ́, bọ̀bọ́ yìí ló tani SARS. SARS is the government now. Who is sending them to kill you? Are you guys mad? Wọ́n sọ fún yín pé èjò jẹ́ 36 million àgbàlagbà. Ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé wọn. Ẹ tẹ̀lé wọn. Ẹ wà lájẹ̀ ní. Ìyàwó káwọ̀ mọ́mí àdájú. Nàdé díẹ̀. Me, I'm just 23. How many years? Stop suffering. Suffer no dey tire una. Me, I'm tired. I'm a talkative. I talk. Nǹkan tí mo fi ń gbàwó nìyẹn.
You guys go block on ibẹ̀ ni mo wà báyìí.
Yes. Na wetin I dey use talk, so I talk. Yeah. So I just want you guys to try your best. Come and join us. I promise you, if we join hands together, make all of us just gree once. I'm agree. Wari, we are coming to Aso Rock. My parents live in Abuja. They live in Karu, Pepper Quarters. I'm telling you where they live in case anybody is going for death. I will burn his family. They live in Pepper Quarters, Karu. That's where my family stay. They are scared. They are telling me to block my Instagram account. I'm not going to block it. Come for me. I am Major Gary. That's my name. Fuck you, Buhari. Fuck you, Oyedeko. And hey, I want to remind you something. Who is the godfather of Osibanjo? Who is the godfather? It is Adeboye. Adeboye ló fi bọ̀bọ́ yẹn síbẹ̀ náà. Adeboye ni vice president sí èmi o. Politician ni Adeboye yìí yẹn tó ń wa jet. Ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ ìyá ń wa jet. Ẹ̀ ń jẹ́ ìyá ń wa jet. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́yìn tó tún máa gba ọ́pìn lọ́wọ́ yín. Ṣé ẹ̀rọ ni ẹ̀ kí n rò ní? Igbó ló jẹ́ kí n mọ gbogbo kíní yìí o. Igbó ni omi ò ní parọ́ fún yín. Wọ́n ní pé.